Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. As you all know, I've been on a challenge of trying to turn $5,000 into one Bitcoin using just the grid trading bot from Bitsgap. So our journey has been moving on nicely. We keep on growing and growing. With the market dips, it's pushing us back. When the market goes up, we're gaining momentum. But can we complain at this current stage? Not at all. Let's run through the coins. Binance Coin, which we updated a few times lately and was our last update last week, finally moved back nicely in between the grids. Now, as long as it's in between the grids, it's generating a bigger opportunity to keep on gaining profits for us. Let's look at Cardano. Cardano is the one that's been moving massively. Alright, Cardano has gone out of the grids at the bottom. So let's update our Cardano bot today. As you can see, 2,068 trades in 2 months and 1 day. I think it's time to update and compound our Cardano to try and make it bigger. If you're looking at the values, Cardano is the lowest as well. And we usually compound the lowest value. Let's look at Polkadot. 304 trades in 20 days and 16 hours. And it's lying perfectly in between the grids, just like we wanted. As long as the momentum or the coin is in between the grids, it generates a lot of opportunity. Let's look at XRP Ripple. Are they going to win the case? Are they going to settle? They're a little bit low, but still in between the grids, moving forward. Look at Ethereum. Where's Ethereum standing? Will we see Ethereum reaching the $10,000 mark before year end? We had a nice pump over the weekend, and it's nicely in between the grids. So currently, I can't complain about my setup. Everything looks perfectly. We're just gonna update Cardano. Let's go to the Qcoin, which I'm using just for this challenge. We started with 0.14 odd Bitcoin. We're up nicely there, about 10%. We started with $5,000. We're on $7,500. And yes, we were over $8,000 in one stage before the market value dropped. We got $142 of Bitcoin available. XRP nothing, $1 Cardano, $34 worth of BNB, and I'm keeping Qcoin's coin available as well, just for the fact to pay cheaper fees. So what we're going to do, we're going to convert this BNB that's available into Bitcoin, and then we're going to use all our Bitcoin to upgrade our Cardano bot to make sure we compound it and make it bigger. Let's just wait for Qcoin to open the chart real quick. Put in your security code for trading. Here we go. And we're going to sell all available BNB. Here we go. The BNB is sold. As you can hear, the clock rang. The transaction went through. And let's get back to this get. So this week was a little bit slower compared to other weeks. Only $177 worth of growth. But I'm not complaining. Let's get back to our Bitsgap. Let's look at the Cardano chart and make sure we catch it at the top. Let's see, where's the highest trade? 6356. So we're going to go with 6356. Right. 6356. Let's cancel our Cardano bot. All the trades is cancelled. Open a new one. I'm gonna choose Qcoin, ADA, 56. We do 50 grids. Now we just need to make sure there's no Cardano in order. Let's see if it did it. Cardano. Available in orders is nothing. So we can just switch it around. There we go. It shows everything is available. And let's just move these up a little bit. Just give it a little space underneath the current price. There we go. So our grid steps did improve. It was on 0.58. Now it's on 0.68. The reason is why, because we moved the grids further out and we kept the same amount of grids. It's a strategy I've been using. I know a lot of people will complain and say, but you're moving them so your first trade is going to be less the value. Yes, it is correct, but the moment it starts moving in between the grids, your profit is bigger. And I'm just using my allocated amounts to keep on gaining. So let's start this bot back up. Get it going. Need to buy a bit of Cardano due to the fact that we moved the grids up and it's more expensive trades. So let the bot get started. All right, they've placed the market order to buy some Cardano. Should shortly say market order is filled. So let's give it a second for the bot to start. See what's happening on this side. Is it pulling out the Cardano into trades or not yet? Head back and we'll make sure. Not yet. Let's confirm it. There we go. So the bot is started. Now it should set up, as you can see, putting all the trades in. The red lines is our sell limit orders, where it will be selling the Cardano back to profit for Bitcoin. We'll give it a few seconds and let the bot start. As it clearing all the white lines, putting the orders in where they should be. And our Cardano bot is active and running. So we've compounded. Let's see how much it left us with. We had $177. So we've increased our bot with just over $100 due to the fact it always leaves a 5% gap at the end. But our bot is bigger, it's more Bitcoin into the trade, and it's moving along. So do yourself a favor, go and have a look at the BITSGAP Grid Trading bot. The link will be at the bottom. It's been working for me. I do have another account and I have about 25 pairs trading for me at this current stage. So I'm just building forward and forward from it. I have USD, I got BUSD, I got Bitcoin pairs. And for me, it's working. I'm taking weekly profits from it. Do your due diligence. They do have a demo option also. Don't put funds in, go and test it. See how it works and take it from there. It's an opportunity. You're linking your API keys to your exchange, meaning Bitsgap can't touch your funds. Yes, they're putting trades in, which is crypto against crypto, depending on which you're choosing. So either way, they will increase one of the two coins. Have a look at Bitsgap. It's working for me. It might be the ideal opportunity for you. Leave a comment or concern or opinion in the chat down below and I'll get back to you. Have a great one and enjoy crypto profits. Take care.